In this video, we are going to divide decimals. Are you ready to learn? Here we have 72.2 divided by 0.2, and I am going to show you how to divide these decimals. Right? Since we have 1 dp, 1 decimal place for the first number, that is 72.2, right? We can multiply this by 10, and we also can multiply 0.2 by 10. This is the same thing as moving the decimal point one place to the right, right? So we can move the decimal point one place to the right. Alright, so we have 0.2 divided by 72.2, right? So 0.2 is the divisor while 72.2 is the dividend. Now I am going to move the decimal point one place to the right for each number. So now we have 722 divided by 2. Yeah, because we want to have whole number, so we can divide this easier to make our division life easier. So now we can say 2 into 7 goes 3 times. 3 2's give us 6. 7 minus 6 leave 1. So now I'm going to bring down this 2. Now we have 12. So 2 into 12 goes 6 times. Therefore, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 give us 0. Now I'm going to bring down this 2. So 2 into 2 goes 1 time. 1 time 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 give us 0. Therefore, our answer is 361. Let us do another example. Here we have 0.24 divided by 1.2, right? So since the first number has 2 decimal places, this is telling me that I can multiply this number by 100, right? If I multiply this number by 100, I will have to multiply this number by 100 as well, right? It is the same thing as moving the decimal point 2 places on the right. Yeah, man. So we're going to multiply. So when we multiply 0.24 times 100, we get 24. And when we multiply 1.2 times 100, we get 120. So now our numerator would be 24 and our denominator would be 120. So now we can divide. So we know that 24 is our dividend, while 120 is our divisor. So we're going to say 120 into 24. You can't. So you're going to put a 0 and a point up here, and then add a 0 to 24. So now we have 240. 120 into 240 goes 2 times. 2 times 120 is 240. 240 minus 240, we have 0. So now we have 0 remain here. Our answer is 0.2. Here is an alternative method that we can use to solve these problems, right? Given 0.18 divided by 0.6, and I am going to use an alternative method to solve this problem. So the first number has 2 decimal places, therefore I can divide 18 by 100 because it has 2 decimal places. And for the second number, we have 0.6, right? Since it has 1 dp, which is the same thing as decimal place, I'm going to divide 6 by 10, right? We're going to keep the first fraction, change the sign to multiplication, then we're going to flip the second fraction, right? So we're going to interchange the numbers. So we're going to flip the number. So we're going to have 10 over 6. Yeah, man. So this 10 into itself goes 1 time, and 10 into 100 goes 10 times. So we can break this down some more. So we can say 6 into itself goes 1 time, and 6 into 18 goes 3 times. 3 ones is 3, and 10 ones is 10. So we have 3 over 10, right? This is the same thing as 0.3 in decimal. Yeah, man. So our answer is 0.3. So this is another method that we can use to solve these problems. This brings us to the end of another interesting and informative lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching Learning with the Passleys. See you next time. See you later.